In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map to your digital project, search for a location, and then place it on your page. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their project with interactive maps, whether you're working on a website, a presentation, or a report. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the application or software you're using that supports map integration. This could be a web design tool, a presentation application, or any platform that allows embedding maps. Once you have that open, look for the menu option or button that says Add. This is generally where you'll find the options to insert various types of content or media into your project. After clicking Add, you should see a variety of options. What you're looking for is the Maps option. This feature might be under a submenu like Media or Widgets depending on the application, so take a moment to explore if you don't see it right away. Selecting Maps will open a new window or panel dedicated to mapping options. Once you're in the Maps section, the next task is to search for the specific location you want to feature. You'll likely see a search bar at the top of this panel. Click into the search bar and type in the address or name of the location you're interested in. It could be a business, landmark, or any point of interest you'd like to include. As you type, suggestions should appear to assist you, so keep an eye on those if your location is common or has multiple branches. Once you see the exact location you want, select it. The map will zoom in and highlight the location, giving you a preview of how it will look when placed on your page. Now that you've selected your location, it's time to place it onto your project. You should see an option like Insert or Place on Page. Click that, and the map should appear within your work area. Often, the map will be embedded as a dynamic element, meaning viewers can interact with it, zoom in or out, or possibly even get directions directly from the map interface, depending on the features of your software. From here, you might want to adjust the size or positioning of the map to fit it perfectly into your layout. Typically, you can click and drag the corners of the map to resize it and drag the entire map to reposition it. Take some time to make sure it's aligned with your overall design and doesn't overlap any crucial elements, and there you have it. You've successfully added a map to your project and customized it to fit your needs. This can add a lot of value and context, especially if your project benefits from geographical information or directions. I hope this guide has helped make the process clear and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.